Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today, we're highlighting 10 classic motorcycles for sale across the United States, featuring real listings, real prices, and timeless vintage appeal. Number 1. 1971 Harley-Davidson Sportster, Toddville, Iowa, $4,500. This 1971 Harley-Davidson Sportster is a genuine piece of American motorcycling history with a story to match. Owned by an enthusiast who purchased it back in 1975, this bike is now being offered by only its second owner. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs great and remains in very nice condition, reflecting decades of careful ownership rather than neglect. What truly elevates this listing is the inclusion of the original factory repair manual and original sales brochure, items that are increasingly hard to find and highly valued by collectors. This is not a heavily modified machine or a neglected project, but an honest, well-preserved Sportster that represents Harley-Davidson's early 1970s era exactly as many riders remember it. Number 2. 1978 Kawasaki KZ1000, Oak Creek, Wisconsin, $5,500. This 1978 Kawasaki KZ1000 has been refurbished from the ground up and presents as a fully sorted classic superbike. The seller notes that the cost of parts and labor alone matches the asking price, which says a lot about the level of work performed. The top end has been rebuilt with new rings, seals, gaskets, and valve components, while all clearances were properly checked and corrected. The carburetors have been fully serviced, steering head bearings upgraded, and the bike finished with fresh paint and new gauges. An electronic ignition improves reliability, and the bike reportedly runs and drives perfectly. This is a KZ1000 that's ready to ride, show, or simply enjoy without further investment. Number 3. 1970 BSA Lightning, Kenosha, Wisconsin, $3,900. This 1970 BSA Lightning is a classic British twin with strong visual appeal and restoration potential. While the bike does not currently start, it was acquired from an elderly gentleman who rode it regularly before placing it on display in his office. That history suggests the bike was valued rather than neglected. The Lightning remains an iconic model known for its performance and style during the golden era of British motorcycles. With an Illinois title included and no major modifications mentioned, this example is well suited for a collector or restorer looking to bring a classic BSA back to running condition while preserving its original character. Number 4. 1971 Honda CB450, Blue Rapids, Kansas, $2,500. Honda's 1971 CB450 was a groundbreaking motorcycle in its time, and this example remains a solid rider. The bike starts easily and runs well, with carburetors recently rebuilt to ensure smooth operation. A new front tire has already been installed, and the original fuel tank and side covers remain in place, showing light, honest patina consistent with age. The turn signals and tail light are functional, though the headlight will need attention. With under 13,000 miles indicated, this CB450 offers a great balance of originality, usability, and affordability for anyone looking to own a classic Japanese twin that can still be enjoyed on the road. Number 5. 1975 Moto Guzzi Eldorado, Ames, Iowa, $4,100. This 1975 Moto Guzzi Eldorado stands out as a unique custom build that retains its mechanical integrity. While the bike features a one-off fuel tank designed and built by the seller, the mechanical components remain largely stock, preserving the reliability Moto Guzzi is known for. A Royal Enfield-sourced exhaust adds character without overpowering the bike's vintage personality. Everything on this Eldorado is reported to be fully functional, and the low seat height makes it approachable and comfortable. With its distinctive Italian styling and custom touches, this Eldorado is described by the seller as one of the coolest bikes they've owned, and it's easy to see why. Number 6. 1972 BMW R75/5, Kansas City, Kansas, $5,800. This 1972 BMW R75/5 is a clean survivor that showcases BMW's reputation for durability and refinement. Recently serviced, the bike features rebuilt carburetors, a fresh tune-up, new voltage regulator and rectifier, updated wiring, a new battery, and brake service. It starts easily, runs smoothly, and stops as it should, making it ready for immediate use. Finished in its distinctive orange paint, this R75/5 represents one of BMW's most respected air-cooled touring motorcycles. It's an ideal choice for riders who appreciate classic engineering combined with real-world usability. Number 7. 1974 Triumph TR5T Trophy Trail, Madison, Wisconsin, $4,500. The 1974 Triumph TR5T Trophy Trail is a rare and highly sought-after model, blending road performance with light off-road capability. This example shows just under 9,000 miles and is reported to run and drive great. Largely stock and well-preserved, it represents a model that Triumph collectors actively seek due to its limited production and unique design. With a clean title and excellent overall condition, this TR5T is more than just a classic. It's a collectible motorcycle that continues to gain appreciation among vintage British bike enthusiasts. Number 8. 1973 Norton 750 Commando, Andover, Minnesota, $2,500. This original owner 1973 Norton 750 Commando offers a rare opportunity to acquire a classic British icon with documented history. The bike has been sitting for many years and is not currently running, but the engine turns over freely and shows good compression. With just over 11,800 miles indicated, this Commando appears largely unmolested. It will likely need standard recommissioning work such as a battery, carburetor cleaning, and fresh fuel. With a clean title and solid fundamentals, this is an excellent candidate for a careful restoration or sympathetic revival. Number 9. 1971 Husqvarna 400CR, Cedar Falls, Iowa, $2,000. This 1971 Husqvarna 400CR comes straight from the golden era of motocross, famously associated with Steve McQueen and the film On Any Sunday. The bike has great compression and intermittent spark, suggesting it's close to running condition. Key components such as the correct front fender bracket, original oiler cables, restored seat pan, and correct frame and engine numbers are included. The sale also comes with manuals, spare plugs, and an aftermarket silencer. Whether restored for riding or preserved as a display piece, this Husqvarna represents a true slice of off-road racing history. Number 10. 1982 Yamaha Maxim XJ1100, Garrison, Minnesota, $800. Closing out the list is this 1982 Yamaha Maxim XJ1100, a powerful and comfortable sport cruiser from the early 1980s. The bike hasn't run in about 3 years, but reportedly ran great when parked. Known for producing around 100 horsepower and offering smooth highway performance, the XJ1100 remains a favorite among riders who appreciate vintage muscle with comfort. With garage storage and a straightforward path back to running condition, this $800 listing presents an affordable entry into big-bore Japanese classics. That's today's selection from Moto Market Explorer. Which classic motorcycle stands out to you? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.